Hello, welcome back to our channel. Now I want to share with you very useful concept for you. While doing the physics problems, many people are forgetting that some physical quantities. So which physical quantities values you should remember for easily doing the simplifications from the physics problems. Look here. First one is, you feel it is easy only, but you should remember G, acceleration due to gravity. Actually it is 9.8 meter per second square, but our multiplications and simplifications purpose we can take 10 meter per second square also, but you check the answer approximate value. Then capital G, universal gravitational constant. Wherever you are going in the universe, this is the constant. That value how much? 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Then come to pi value. You know that pi is the 3.14, and many people pi square is there. Pi square approximately you can take 10 also. 3.14 into 3.14 we are taking approximately 10. Where we are using, especially in the case of simple pendulum answer, t equals to 2 pi into under root L by G. You should write it t equals to 4 pi square into L by G also. In that case, direct for easy calculations, instead of pi square you remember that approximate value is the 10. Then universal gas constant, I have written two values. See, R equals to 8.3 joule per mole per Kelvin. Sometimes no, in question also they are giving CGS unit, and answer also in terms of CGS unit, means simply you can take it R value how much? 2 calories per mole degree Kelvin. This is in CGS system and this is in SI system. See how much difference is there. If you know these two, easily you can able to do the calculations. Many people are remembering 8.3, but in calories we should use, this is R equals to 2 calories per mole degree Kelvin. Then density of water. See, density of water you should remember that 1000 kg per meter cube in SI system, but when we can go through the CGS system, it is 1 gram per cc. Like that you remember 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joules, and many people they don't know that what is the charge of the electron. E equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, and mass of the electron is how much? 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. From these two we are getting one more thing, that is the specific charge of the electron. E by m equals to 1.76 into 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per kg, and one atomic mass unit equals to how many times of that kgs? 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. Then 1 atmosphere equals to, this is in CGS system, in SI system 10 to the power of 5 Pascal, or it should be right in terms of CGS system once again 76 centimeters of Hg. At the same time I have given the relation between all these. 1 atmosphere and remaining readings are in terms of like meters, like that you must convert 1 atmosphere equals to 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Then come to Avogadro number. In chemistry also you know very well, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Then epsilon naught value is how much? 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. So you are taking light of these values, but when you know these values, easily you can do the solutions from the physics problems. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is the 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Then mu naught by 4 pi value is 10 to the power of minus 7 Henry meter. Then mu naught value how much? 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. And here you remember that this unit also, many people they don't know about this unit, that is the Henry per meter. And epsilon naught value also, c square means coulomb square per Newton meter square. Then Rydberg constant, it is also representing with capital R, but the value is 1.1 into 10 to the power of 7 meter inverse. But how to express that is the centimeters inverse, means instead of 10 square, what we are taking, 10 square equals to 1 meter equals to 100. Like that we should convert and you can manage the things. Then Boltzmann's constant is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23. Then specific heat of water, two things are there. The all values in CGS system, simply you can take it. Specific heat of water is how much? 1 calorie per gram and degree Kelvin or degree centigrade. Suppose we are taking in SI system, you know that 1 calorie equals to how many joules? 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joules. That too in terms of kgs, grams you can take kgs means. So when you are expressing in terms of SI system, we should write it 4200 joule per kg like that. Then specific heat of ice in CGS system, that is 0.5, and this value is in terms of SI system 2100. Just look here, specific heat of water and ice, half of that specific heat and half of that SI unit, and you can remember logically also this one. Then latent heat of ice in CGS system 80 calories per gram. Like that here, latent heat of steam also 540 calories per gram. Don't worry about it, you don't know about the SI system. If you want SI system, you can go through the 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joules. Instead of grams, you can take it 10 to the power of minus 3 kgs. Then easily you can use in that particular problems. Then you remember that root 2 value how much? 1.414. Root 3 value is the 1.732. And root 144 is the 12, root 169 is the 13, root 256 is the 16, and root 196 is the 14. Like that you should remember. Then easily you can able to do the physics problems. I think this video is very useful. At the same time, you can just once you can go through the for the exams. Before that also you should go, just you revise once. It is very helpful for you. And how you are following my crash course also, I am saying to you, after subscribing Rishit physics classes, you are getting the playlist. In that playlist, when you press that one, you are getting clarity on it. What is that? Physics crash course 2022. That videos you should follow that. So many chapters I have completed. From first year I have completed units and measurements, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, then work, energy, power. Today I want to upload that oscillations also. 5 chapters I have completed. But these 5 chapters, big chapters, you are expecting 7 to 8 questions these 5 chapters. So minimum 8 questions we are expecting these 5 chapters. Like that from second year side I have uploaded already that waves, ray optics, then electric charges and fields, electric potential and capacitance, dual nature. Here also from these chapters you can expect that 7 questions. So 8 plus 7 how much? 15 questions. Easily NEET people, our weightage how much I have completed, that is 60 marks. For MSET students we are expecting like 15 to 16 questions from that. So thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel and share my channel to your friends also. Then I will make more videos. Thank you everyone.